Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and today we're going to talk about a piece of software that is called CCleaner, and it is available for Windows, Mac platforms. It's a very popular piece of software, and you can get it by going to the website that you see here on the upper left, which is www.puriform.com/CCleaner. Now, be careful that when you go and get CCleaner, you get it from the official website. You should see Puriform on the upper left. You should be on the puriform.com website. Make sure you are there. A lot of people actually Google CCleaner and download it from other places, and they get spyware with it. CCleaner does not install any spyware with it. I've installed it, and there's no other piece of software with it. It's really only CCleaner when you install it. So if you ever install it and have other crapware, it's probably because you were not in the Puriform website, puriform.com. CCleaner is a piece of software that is available to clean up all sorts of leftover files and temporary stuff, and fix and remove registry keys that are left behind by installing software or uninstalling pieces of software, apps, and so on. So when you download it and install it, you'll have a little red icon here. It's a big red C with kind of a broom here. Once you click on it, you will have this little panel here, CCleaner free. Now, first of all, when you go on the website, you'll see that there's buy now and download, because there are some different products of CCleaner. CCleaner comes in a free version and more of a professional type version. The professional type version actually will give you more protection, some live protection stuff. So CCleaner Professional is $25 Canadian here, which is probably, let's check it out in US dollars. It is $24.95 US dollars, so $24.95 Canadian dollars also. What it does that the regular CCleaner does not do is basically give you these protections. So for example, the free version has faster computer apparently and privacy protection. But if you go to professional CCleaner, they add complete cleaning, real-time monitoring, and automatic updating. And the Plus, Professional Plus, will add defrag, file recovery, and hardware analysis. Now, I've tried all of those. It is, something true that it does more when you pay for it. But do you want to pay for it? I'm not really sure. Now, one thing that CCleaner, because I have a lot of clients that actually use CCleaner, and almost every client that I've seen tell me, "Oh, it's good. My computer runs so much faster after I, run CCleaner." Thing is, I have more of the impression that it is, like going to the doctor, and even if you didn't, you just said that you should rest and everything's going to be better. Just because you went to see the doctor, you already feel better, even if he didn't give you any pills to take or any medicine. It's kind of a placebo effect. So part of it, I think, is there. But CCleaner, what it does, it does clean up some parts of Windows. It does remove temporary files. It really cleans in a sense. But is it clean to a point where It really helps your computer. I'm not really sure. I've actually run CCleaner here on 3 different computers and kind of checked their speeds. Is it better or not? I haven't seen any difference actually. Of course, running it is not a problem. It's not gonna break your computer, and so of course, running it can be okay, but at some point, I'm not really sure it does work really, doing something useful. Of course, you've got the cleaner, you've got the registry that you can scan for issues where it's going to check for registry problems. You've got the tools where you can uninstall from the CCleaner itself, and you can check what's at the startup. You can check, of course, you can find files. There's a file finder. There's the system restore tab right there. And there's a drive wiper. So if you want to really wipe a drive, you can use CCleaner to actually remove all data from the drive. And the options tab, where you mostly have different little settings about language, the way it will actually scan startup and stuff like that. So depending on what you want to do, this is the type of software. So you can click, you can check out, make a run cleaner, or you can analyze and let it give you a little detail of kind of a report on your computer. And for example, here when I analyze, it says, well, I've got these little files here that I can remove, which are basically here when I check it out, some internet cache, cookies, stuff like that. It's not harmful to your computer. That's one of the things that you probably want to know. So for example, here it does show any missing files, invalid entries, and stuff like that in the registry. Where I'm a little scared, I would say that any piece of software that goes in and plays in your registry in Windows is always a little scary, because you never know if at some point it can remove something that's actually very important. So just be careful. I've never seen a client or someone that actually ran CCleaner and ran into problems after the scan. And like I said, a lot of people seem to tell me that your computer runs better, faster, and stuff like that. So if you want to clean your computer, I think CCleaner is okay. I'm not convinced, like I said, that it actually does something very useful to your computer. But from what I've seen, it doesn't actually do anything bad to your computer. So you can actually, run it. One of the key factors that I would say about CCleaner, if you do a registry clean, like I just asked one here, you want to back up changes to make sure that if something goes wrong, you can actually restore the changes. Because if you don't back it up, there could be problems. And if there are, then what's going to happen is that no backup means you cannot restore the registry to its regular point where it was before you did the clean. Apart from that, much of the scans are quite fast. Of course, it all depends on your computer, number of programs installed. What's nice in Windows 8 is that I've seen that it actually does check the cache of the Microsoft App Store, which is nice. And of course, pretty much what it did detect in my computer are, temporary stuff, stuff that, I've uninstalled a ton of software because I use this computer to actually make videos. Of course, by installing and uninstalling, there's a lot of stuff that's actually left behind. CCleaner is there for that. and I think it does a good job at cleaning those left behind files and folders. So that's CCleaner free. If you want to have a real-time protection and more possibilities, including a defragmentation tool, well, CCleaner Professional will add options depending on what you do with your computer. But personally, I wouldn't pay for such a piece of software, and I'd probably use only the free part. Um, if you want to know, I actually just ran CCleaner for the first time on all my machines. I've never actually installed it and run it myself on any machines because I have this little conviction that I don't think it's that useful. But it does clean and it does remove files. I think it could be nice in the case where somebody has a small hard drive and is kind of missing on some disk space and stuff like that. So get it if you want. It doesn't do anything harmful, and I think it does remove a lot of the left behind stuff from using Windows from day to day. But don't expect, and that's the big thing here, don't expect CCleaner to actually change the way everything works in your computer. I don't think that's gonna be something that you'll notice once you run CCleaner. Maybe you're running it, maybe you are using CCleaner, or maybe you just download it and you try it on your computer. Why not give me your advice? What do you think? Did you like it? Did it help you? Does your computer run better after you actually use CCleaner? Why not give me your feedback on this? So go into the official CCleaner website. Remember, it's piriform.com, and check for the CCleaner software. It's very important that you download it directly from this website. If you have any comments or questions on what you've seen, let us know. Maybe you have a piece of software or a Windows 8 feature you'd like us to talk about. Let us know also. We'll try to put that video online. And hopefully you will come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.